Good day guys, so this is Engineer Jom Digia. So sa video na to, mag-solve tayo ng isang math problem galing sa civil service. So under sub-professional level. So try natin to guys, no? Yung number 57. Sabi diyan, how many liters will remain in one 1,000 liter storage tank if 8.2% of the liquid has evaporated due to excessive heat? So, sabi dyan, ang sagot daw dapat letter A. So, paano ba ginagawa yan? So, sabi, 8.2% daw nung liquid ay nag-evaporate dahil sa sobrang init. So, yung ating total volume dyan is yung 1,000 liters. So, yung 1,000 liters, i-multiply mo siya sa 8.2%. So, yun yung percentage na mawawala o mag-evaporate doon sa total mo. So, yung magiging total niyan, yung 82 na yan, is ima-minus mo siya doon sa pinaka-total na volume mo doon sa storage tank. So, the final answer will become 918. So, yung sagot natin, tugma, which is, pinapakita lang yan na yung 8.2% yung nag-evaporate dahil sa sobrang init. So, ganun lang kasimple siya i-solve guys. I-multiply mo lang 8.2% sa 1,000 liters. And then, yung product nila, i-minus mo sa pinaka-total. Then, you will get the answer of 918 liters. Okay?